Yes, my people. To them I talk about all the ambulance them. Me never see them show up at the emergency scene. But first. So yes, me stumbled upon an accident just recently between a SUV and a motorcycle man. The SUV back up out of a parking spot and trap the man, lick off a man off a bike and trap him between the vehicle and the motorcycle. And for 45 minutes I was there, I see no ambulance pull up. Not one. So some foot patrol walk up and start give some assistance. And some half-duty doctors, private doctors. Maybe they work at a hospital or, But them start give some assistance because the man they under a whole of pain and things, so them start wrap up him foot in a cardboard box and I guess they keep it straight. So when police pull up in our vehicle and ask some questions and things, and I guess because no gun and no money they did them jump back in our vehicle and drive off. So this thing I just really inspired me to do this, cause I like to put myself in people's shoes, And if me in a situation like this, I don't want to know say yeah, an ambulance come and give you proper care right on the scene. You see, a first world country, they have some things they call EMT. Right? Every fire station have EMT. Them people are trained, them are medical doctor, them trained to do almost everything but surgery on the scene. Them strap you up on everything, with everything, right up on the scene before them carry to the hospital. Right? So, what about people dead at Jamaica if they are a first world country, them now still be alive? My people, my subscribers, my people, if they subscribe to my channel, Because of them things I talk about, because I want to see changes in this country, Because the way Jamaica are going, trust me, all of we are going dead off. We don't have no proper care, no proper nothing from the government. From the government, nothing proper. And anybody say anything, say this country is around great. I don't know where them come from. But back to the thing, a taxi man come and them load him in the taxi and rush him off to the hospital. The taxi man have to make the dangerous drive through traffic. Remember, it's not an emergency vehicle, So he have to put on him hazard light and him blow him on and stuff and go through traffic. Hospital like 3 miles away. No ambulance. But somebody tell me say the ambulance them is really for carry people from patient from one hospital to the other. So that's why me never really see an ambulance pan a scene, pan an accident scene or any kind of medical scene. Maybe that's why I never see that. Because them just carry patient from one hospital to the other. But remember recently when that soldier they get shot up down one place called Milk River. As far as me here, a helicopter came to the hospital. And even though this name called for a helicopter, you have to look into it and say, boy, so hold on. Me never see a helicopter come pick up a regular person. Never see it. It's poor people do the most voting, and poor people vote them people in a power. And you will never see a helicopter go pick up one poor person. Never. You will never see it. So a taxi man have to carry you to the hospital. Or if somebody gets shot up or whatever, the police them come on the scene, them throw the person at the back of the vehicle and carry them to the hospital. Come on, people. No feel say this right. You see, I that me notice about Jamaicans, we not put ourselves in other people's shoes, We wait until it happen to we. You wait until it happen to you before you go say, boy, yo, changes. It's too late. Well, at time it's too late. So changes need to make now. I read the Loop News and see where a 14-year-old boy gets shot up by the police and the soldiers them in a Savlamar. And see me put it on the screen there. Who came to the hospital? The resident them. The resident of who came to the hospital. I really don't understand the news because if a police and soldier shoot them up, you don't think so them don't came to the hospital, but you can read it for yourself. So Jamaica need to fix. This country need to fix and they need to fix fast. All of we are going dead off. Yes, me I say, first world country people survive a lot of stuff where if them the dead at Jamaica, them dead. Like dog. I have to put that in there straight up. Cause we now no care from the government. We more have care from private sector and we can't afford for them something. So me just have to put my 2 cents in. Just have to put my 2 cents in. And what I always say, my people, be blessed. One God.